The Metropolitan Career-Technical Center is a center that's actually designed to service students for the Pulaski County area. We provide 10 different programs of study, and with those programs of study, most are linked with a concurrent credit option, but they also are linked with various certifications.
You can take these courses, they're all elective courses, they all count toward graduation requirements, and many of the courses have concurrent credits.
To me, I feel like Metro is a school, a place that gives young kids opportunities to kind of get a glimpse of what they want to do in life.
If someone is unsure of what they'd like to do in the future, I'd say Metro is a great place to figure that out.
Your child can come here and get a free education that will help their future later on. It's a space where students can feel safe and comfortable with exploring.
To be able to have it in high school for free, that is a great opportunity that I feel like a lot of kids should take advantage.
Metro is an opener to the world that you're about to go into, especially as being a 12th grader. It gives you insight to what the real world is like.
Having the ability to choose and navigate my own path right after high school is really amazing to me. And it just really helped me open my eyes to have like a clear path of where I want to go and exactly how I'm going to get there.
Honestly, it feels really great. I feel at peace. I don't feel stressed. I know exactly what I'm doing, what I'm going for, how it's going. Having this structure, it's amazing. It really is.
It vaults them ahead, it puts them ahead. It allows them to gain access and information at the high school level that I'd say a student that maybe second year of college or further would have.
Not only does it give them a head start, but you have teachers and people that actually care about you and they put their all into you.
You can tell they're very passionate about their students and their futures, and that they're doing everything in their power to help them succeed.
I would say the single most important thing that Metro does is actually avail opportunities for real world experiences and using a student's chosen idea of what they may want to become in life and giving them an opportunity to explore that.
I love Metro. I love coming here. I get excited when I come to Metro.
Thanks to Metro, I've been able to figure out what I wanted to do with my future, and for that I'm very grateful.
I'm grateful for Metro. It has gave me so many opportunities, and it's still providing me opportunities.
I don't know where I would be. I really just can't picture myself without this program now.